Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to factory reset a Windows 10 computer using the command prompt. This can be a helpful solution if you're facing performance issues, want to erase all your data, or simply want a fresh start with your PC. Before we get started, make sure to back up any important files because this process will wipe your system clean. Section 1. Preparing for the reset. The first step is to ensure you have a backup of your important files. You can use an external hard drive, cloud storage, or a USB drive. This is essential because a factory reset will erase all data on your computer. Section 2. Accessing command prompt. To start, press the Windows key and S simultaneously to open the search bar and type command prompt. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Section 3. The reset command. In the command prompt, we'll use a command called system reset. To initiate a factory reset, type system reset. Section 4. Follow on-screen instructions. After executing the command, a new window will appear. This window will provide information about the factory reset process. You can choose to keep your files or remove everything, depending on your preference. Section 5. Start the reset. Once you've made your selection, click Next and then Reset. The computer will begin the reset process, which may take some time, depending on your system's speed. Section 6. Completing the reset. When the reset is complete, your computer will restart. You'll be guided through the initial setup process, just like when you first bought your PC. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your language, region, and user account. Section 7. Restoring your backed up data. After the reset, you can restore your backed up files from the external drive or cloud storage. This will help you get back your important data. And there you have it. You've successfully factory reset your Windows 10 computer using the command prompt. It's a powerful tool to fix software issues and give your PC a fresh start. Just remember to back up your data and be cautious during the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.